Cold room door locks and hinges. We at Economy Heaters make available cold room door handles, locks and hinges in line with international quality. These are polymer-based products of high strength to withstand the rough handling in industrial use. These are exported to more than 40 countries in the world. In India we make them available for the cold rooms manufacturers for their immediate use. The model number I-261 is all-metal body which matches in dimensions and quality to brand Fermode. The hinges are polymer-based. In line with international requirement, the product comes with green fluorescent push knob to open the lock from inside, in case of distress situation. For more details, please call or write. Thanks for watching.